Hi. A lot of students were having trouble with this type of problem. Um, this one says a person owns 22 shares of a stock in a high-tech company and has been following this stock over the past 4 weeks. And here's the information about this particular problem. Remember, every student has a different set of numbers, so your numbers may be different than mine, but the process should still be the same. They want to know what is the net gain or loss in total value of the stock over the 4-week period. So I'm actually just going to take 3 plus -4 plus 2 plus -4. And when you add all that up, that's -3. That means that we are at a loss of $3 per share. That's part A. Next up, if the stock was worth $16 per share at the beginning of the first week, oh, you know what I didn't do? This is per share. So the final answer for this one should be 22 times 3, giving us a total of $66. That's your final answer. The 22 comes from the number of shares of stock that they have here. So this is per share, and they want to know the total worth. So it's going to be 22 times the $3 that they're down. So this is the loss of $66. Next up, if the stock was worth $16 per share at the beginning of the first week, how much was the stock worth at the end of the fourth week? And so what we're going to do is we're going to take the $16 and subtract 3 to give us $13 per share. Now, again, we have 22 shares, so we have to do 22 times 13, which will give us a total of $286 is the total value of the stock at the end of the fourth week. Part C says, let X be the variable to represent the cost per share of the stock at the beginning of the first week. Write an expression to determine the cost per share at the end of the fourth week. Well, since we're letting X be the cost at the beginning, and at the end of the fourth week we've lost $3 per share, this is the total loss. Again, this is per share. Part C, we are going to use this expression here to determine the value of the stock at the end of the fourth week if it was worth $26 per share. Now we are going to put 26 in for X, giving us a total of $23 per share. Now, this is per share, and we still have 22 shares. So I'm going to take 23 times 22, giving us a total of $506 by the end of the fourth week. This is the total. I hope this helps.